and hello to everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Sisters Vlogs. Today we are at the waterfall and we're going to have so much fun. Come and join us. Let's go.
That's impressive.
That's not.
Looks like somebody's Sweet 16 King Sierra is going on.
Today, you will see that we are going to spend some time with nature. আমরা যারা আটলান্টা জর্জিয়াতে থাকি, we are familiar with the Vickery Creek waterfall in Roswell. Going up and down the hilly way was kind of fun and adventurous to me. The beauty of the nature was mesmerizing. I went there with my parents and cousins.
Be careful. Very careful.
আমার খুব ইচ্ছা ছিল fountain ওয়াটারে shower করার, but the weather was a little chilly. তাই আম্মু বলেছে next time সামারে ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা ওখানে ভিজবো. You have to be very careful when you walk around the mountains or hilly areas, especially by the waterfall. Around the waterfall area is normally very slippery and accidents can happen anytime. I learned my lesson this time. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved me from a fall down the waterfall. Only my mom, my dad, and me went all the way down to have more up-close view with the waterfall. My cousins and my little sister didn't come down with us because of the safety. Do you see the view behind me? Isn't it just gorgeous? I loved it.
La 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 la.
If you like my today's video, please smash the like button. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. and hit the bell button for future videos. Ding! I will
Mashallah,
talk
the
with
trees
you
are
all
so
in my next
pretty.
video. Stay safe and
একদম বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ
Assalamualaikum.
feeling coming. My goodness. যাও জয়া
Excuse me. This is a private. Yeah, guys. Sorry. Excuse me.